So it's True Detective unboxing time today with some headphones by RODE NTH-50s. And these ones, they are over-the-ear headphones. The NTH-100'S are my daily driver headphones. Here I have the RODE NTH-100. And the RODE NTH-100 I think is one of the best headphones on the marketplace right now. And these ones are going to be something I'm going to use in the outdoors when I'm going out. And oh, here we have a bag, the headphones themselves right there, and over here probably a cable. There you have a 6.3mm adapter. They also include these funny rings you can attach to the cable over here to color code it. What's great about the cable is that if you already own the NTH-100'S, it's going to be the same. Awesome for sound editing stuff. It's awesome for any content creator. And I would feel that it's also better than the NTH-50s for any listening of music too. And that's how they look. It's very comfortable on the neck. And these are probably not going to be so great for all day use. Okay, these isolate noise pretty well. My own voice sounds a whole lot different. And I use headphones when I record my rap. So in a recording situation I would probably take the other headphone like that. I think these are really the headphones that you should be getting right now. So I can hear my own voice very clear. And now I'm going to tell you something about the sound of these. Okay, from that I can tell that the bass, the low ends, are not booming. These are not any headphones you're going to use for just listening to music probably. But with headphones there's that word how they display or recreate every frequency in the whole range. And I can feel that you can tune into like an analytic listener into each one of those frequency ranges and like focus on it very great with these headphones. So I would feel that this would be great for sound editing purposes and especially for the details in the track. That's how I nowadays do my rap tracks. I use studio monitors to get the basic mix right, and then I use headphones to get the details right. And these are going to be an addition to that. And I love the RODE brand, it's great and they manufacture great stuff. And these products, they are made in Australia. And by the way, if you're thinking about what microphone do I use in my recordings in the studio space, I use the RODE NTH-1 5th generation. So that's USB XLR microphone. And I try to get the whole chain from the mic to the headphones from the same manufacturer because it's going to make the editing much easier. What you're hearing over here right now is also from RODE. Go ahead and check out the Video Micro 2 review also. That's it, RODE NTH-50 review. Thanks for coming to watch this channel. Yeah.